Yo, check this out, Yo, I like it, that was dope,
Okay, you ever have one of those times in your life where you're just going through a whole lot of crap? Yeah, I know, I've been there. Yo, listen, I used to think that being cool was all about appearance. Little I knew how much my pride became an interference. It ain't no wonder we lose sight of what we're focused on. Hard to contemplate a future when our hope is gone. What's with all the murder, all the rape and all the robbery? Stuck in our struggle, pain and hurt and our poverty. It makes my eyes watery, cause we ain't living properly. The chance of finding love is like trying to win the lottery. We practically don't want it cause we're afraid of beating it. So we keep the bag over our head and we ain't seeing it. No longer have a craving that is satisfied by true love. We just keep on hiding all the crap under a new rug. Some people say there ain't a God, but I disagree. Matter of fact, I believe that God is the missing piece. But I ain't pro-religion, nah, I'm just pro-God. And I don't care if you know me, I care you know God. They don't even know my story. They don't even know my pain. They ain't never been through this storm, so they ain't never felt this way, no. All this rain coming down on me. Oh, all this rain coming down on me. Oh. Some people say they want change, but they don't go after it. Have a dream of changing the world until someone shatters it. Temporarily happy yet up until a disaster hits. But imagine being positive even when life's disastrous. Easy to have it good when the going is good too, but in the middle of a storm is the moment I ask you, are you expecting to see change but without any pain? How beautiful is a rainbow if you ain't got rain? But don't confuse what I am saying, I know that it gets rough, and we all have different issues, we're dealing with different stuff. I'm just saying, who are we to judge what they're going through? Cause we ain't spend a day in the shoes and you know it's true. I just dream of the day when we find that place to love and care for one another and to show some grace. Cause they don't care how much you know until they know that you care. So if you're looking for a place to start, then it's right there. They don't even know my story. They don't even know my pain. They ain't never been through this storm, so they ain't never felt this way, no. All this rain coming down on me. Oh, all this rain coming down on me. Oh. So here's your chance, take a shot, don't let it slip away. It's not that hard to realize we don't wanna live this way. We are in prison, not living within the vision. Division is our decision, we're missing the mission given. Hey, think that we got it all together, but we really don't. If all we do is talk about changing, odds are we really won't. The truth is, love in this day and age is like gambling. How do we love a stranger if we can't even love family? It's not that complicated, it's just clear that we missed it. Too busy trying to make a group of people a statistic. We keep persisting, insisting, and risking drifting, resisting that he's existing inside of me, yeah, we're coexisting. This is it, it's now or never, we've run out of time. You're either with me or against me, so make up your mind. There is a reason why you're here, even if you don't see it. So don't you throw your life away, cause someone else may need it. They don't even know my story. They don't even know my pain. They ain't never been through this storm, so they ain't never felt this way, no. All this rain coming down on me. Oh, all this rain coming down on me. Oh. Yeah, so for all those people going through a hard time right now, I just want to encourage y'all, cause it does get better. Press through the rain, press through the storm, cause that's what makes you stronger. Keep going.